Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to choose who can see your videos on TikTok. So after you've chosen the video and edited, and when you're like ready to post the video, so you're already on this page, you see there it says who can watch this video. So you just tap there and then you can choose everyone. That means people that don't follow you can also see it, or only you, or only your followers. So friends is only your followers, and I've chosen friends. So once after I tap on post, only my friends can see this video. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.